Today is August 19th, 2019, and I had a really powerful encounter with the Lord last night, and it felt super significant, and I felt like He commissioned me to be excellent and to not be afraid to be excellent. So I have a lot of ideas, things that I am putting into practice in terms of my YouTube channel. And why am I recording this? Because I think I need to start posting stuff. Okay, see, I'm winking at myself. I am such a strange bird, but I don't care. I don't care. I really don't. I'm gonna have to do it.